Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II that I bought from Amazon UK. This camera has been around for around 2.5 years now, and it's one of their best-selling point-and-shoot cameras, if I may call it a point and shoot, because at this price point you might as well get a Canon 200D DSL2 or the Canon EOS M50. But again, I did not wish to invest in the DSLR space because with DSLR you need to buy more lenses, and the maintenance also comes into the picture, and we cannot forget about the weight that comes along with it as well. So I went for this camera knowing that probably the Canon G7X Mark III is slated for a release around January 2019, so that just 1 month away, but I needed a camera nonetheless, so I bought it. So it was on sale for $499, and there is a rebate that Canon UK is providing of £80. So it cost me around £420 after the Canon rebate. Let's go ahead and quickly unbox it. I'm sure there are a million videos wherein they have sort of unboxed this, but nonetheless unboxing is a special experience. Let me go ahead and quickly so I just wanted to show you the contents. The seller is Amazon UK. There was no bubble wrap, as you saw. Let's go ahead and I'll keep my trusty knife aside. That's the box, and this is the camera itself. Specs wise, you must all be, if you've landed on this video, you must be pretty much aware that this is a point and shoot camera with a fast lens 1.8, and it's got a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Unfortunately, it does not have the dual pixel autofocus, and as far as the rumors are concerned, the Canon G7X Mark III might come with the dual pixel autofocusing system and the Digic 8 processor as well. I may be wrong, these are just rumors, so let's go ahead and quickly unbox this guy. The autofocusing, along with the autofocusing, the image stabilization on this camera is awesome. I won't be using it for the vlogging stuff that people are using it for. I'm not a vlogger. Let's see what's inside. So this is it's in Russian. Canon European, or is it Greek? I guess it is Greek. Canon European warranty system. The safety precautions guide. Sorry, it wasn't in focus. And then we have the G7X guide in all languages. I might have to go through this later on. We have the UK spec charger, or rather the cable to the charger. Then this is a lid. This is the camera itself. It's quite hefty. This is the charger. The battery would which would be plugged into the wall if you are in the US, but this needs to be attached with the cable since this is UK. And we have the battery. It's quite a small battery, rated at 1250 mAh, and the wrist strap. This is needed because it's quite a small camera and it would be handy to have a wrist strap. So let me go ahead and, sorry about the check. Wow, this is a hefty little guy. And the best part is, apart from this tilting screen, to my knowledge, it's made in Japan. Let me check if it's written anywhere over here. Yeah, it's made in Japan over here. So that is one good thing. Let me know if you want me to go ahead and post a review of this. There are ample amount of reviews and ample amount of knowledge videos as to how do we go about operating this little camera. I'll just go ahead and compare this with my Canon, or rather the Sony point and shoot camera that I've been using thus long. So I've bought my original camera, as in I've bought this is my old camera. I bought this in 2013, so it's over 5.5 years old now. It's a Sony, I forgot the number, but it's got a Carl Zeiss lens. So whenever you buy a camera, make sure that the lens the branded lens that it comes along with makes a hell lot of a difference. Of course, the sensor is an integral part, but Carl Zeiss lens on a Sony branded camera, you can rest assured that the quality would be top notch, for this price. Now I bought this in India for around 5,000 rupees, so that's less than, I don't know. So this cost me 420 pounds and this cost me 5,000 rupees, which is around say 70 pounds. I'm very bad at maths, but yeah, so it's very these are basically like comparing apples to oranges. But I just wanted to show you that weight wise this is quite light and this is quite hefty. You can feel where the money is going into. It's quite well made, and side by side, if I were to keep them, you can see how thick this camera is, the Canon is. I'll go ahead and film all my unboxings and all on this guy from now onwards. I really appreciate the support that you have provided to me all these years, and let's see as to how it goes on from now. So this is the tilty screen you can for the so-called vloggers. Rest assured, I won't be vlogging on this camera. It would only be for some the kind of videos that I've always been making on this channel. Please do hit the like button if you like this video, or the dislike button, and do feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm nearing 10,000 subscribers now, nearing rather 9,000, but I'm thankful to each and every one of you. Goodbye for now, guys.